Give me the mic. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Before you say anything, for your fans who've been waiting to get a glimpse of you.
I think since we are in Mumbai city, I think I should say one thing and one thing only. Kasai Mumbai! You know, this is so special for me on a nostalgic, emotional front. There are two reasons why this is very special. 5 years back, a film of mine was releasing Main Tera Hero, and I had come here only to Phoenix Mills for an event of FBB. So right here, FBB had done something, and now, 5 years ahead, another film of mine is releasing Kalank, and I've come for Buffalo, brand Buffalo, which I really do identify with. There's a reason why I identify with Buffalo, not because they signed me as a brand ambassador. One, I'm a Taurian, and the sign is of a bull. Woo! It's Buffalo. Two, one of my heroes that I look up to, The Rock, he has a massive tattoo, the Brahma bull, that he wears as well on his sleeve. So this really hits home for me. This brand is something that's more than just a brand endorsement. I really do believe in it because since I have grown in my career, this brand has grown. We have a massive store which is right here of FBB. It's a homegrown brand. It's an Indian brand, guys. It's something we should all be very, very, very proud of. कि आज हमारा एक Indian brand इतना अच्छा कर रहा है. And secondly, all of you all, I mean, I'm nothing without all of this, honestly. So, I love you as well. I love you all a lot. And it's 40 years of Buffalo, and I think we must call two people on stage who are so responsible. I know Kishore ji is not here, but we must call Rakesh ji and Rajesh ji here. Brand 40 साल का हो गए, but ये लोग अभी भी 18 साल के हैं. Please can we have them on stage?
Well, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Joint MD Future Group Rakesh Biani and Mr. Rajesh Sheth, COO FBB. Welcome to both of you. Welcome, welcome. Yes, yes, that'll happen.
I'm going to come there and take a picture with all of you, I promise you. But before we go, okay, we'll take one picture.
The picture perfect moment.
Here and we are in Mumbai. I don't usually, most of the films that I work on, most of the people say, "Arey, yaar, Mumbai mein promote karne ki kya zarurat hai?" But this is not really about promotion. I just want to have some fun with you guys. There's a song of mine out called First Class from Kalank. And अकेले तो मैं बहुत नाचता हूँ इस गाने पे. I think we should choose some fans to come on stage and do this stuff with me.
Okay, they've been waiting for the past 2 hours to get a glimpse of me. So, are you going to do the honors?
I would choose all of y'all, I promise you. But okay, before we do that, I'm going to come and do a small video with all of you all behind, and then I think you choose people.
Okay, okay.
Because for me, I'm going to choose all of them.
Absolutely. Go for it. Okay, be careful. Please don't push. Please don't push. Varun has said that he's going to get 2 or 3 of you to actually shake a leg right here on this stage. Hold on. Well, and he's given me the task. The most difficult task to do this. Let's start from this side. Let's start from this side. Okay, okay. Yes, 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 yes. Where? Here, right here? He's not telling me any colors. The yellow t-shirt are there, right here, in the front. You. The one out there. Joining you, you, second. There next to you. Come on in.
Let's get this boy, Sleeveless Smith.
Okay, hold on. Sleeveless Smith, there's a boy here. Sleeveless Smith. Okay, there. You come on up. Give him the way, please. And the child on top right there with a very cool, rugged look. Join us up. Whatever he says. And somebody from this side. Hold on, let me do this. Varun, show the mic. You tell me, give it a go ahead. Who comes from this side? The girl in the white top right here. Come on up.
I'm going to come over there also, I promise you. I can't get everyone.
Hi, welcome. I love the gym look. And, there was one more girl from this side. Hold on.
Okay, no. I promise you I will come there. Before I leave, I'll come there again.
Hold on. There was a white top girl. I will tell you who was that. No, wait. Come on up. Wait. You have to poop. Stop. Okay, I will have to not get there if you do not let me select. Can I select with love? With love? Hold on. And hold on. The girl, no. No, there's a white top girl. White top. Stop. Thank you. Ooh. Yeah, let him be. Cool dude, lag raha hai? Full on rugged. Varun, are we good?
Yeah, we are good.
We good? Good to go? Is the console ready? Yeah? Good to go? At the count of 3, Yeah, it's on.
This is the only way I can try and dance with all of you all. But I want to say, पहले तो Buffalo first class है, और आप सब लोग first class है. So thank you guys, everyone who's even upstairs over there and giving us your precious time over there. आप जो पीछे है, जो escalator पे है, जो उधर दूर दूर तक खड़े हैं, सब लोग. So I want to really thank you for coming out here and sharing this time with me. मुझे बहुत स्पेशल लगता है क्योंकि मैं यही का रहने वाला हूँ आप सबकी तरह. आई एम ऑल्सो फ्रॉम मुंबई. मैं भी जब छोटा था मैं भी इधर आता था शॉपिंग के लिए मेरे मॉम के साथ, मेरे डैड के साथ, कभी कभी ऑब्वियसली दोस्तों के साथ, उस टाइम जो गर्लफ्रेंड थी उसके साथ. तो मैंने भी बहुत वक्त कटाया है यहाँ पे. द वे यू गाइज आर हैंगिंग आउट ऑफ हियर, इवन आई हैव हंग आउट ऑफ हियर, and it just gives me so much happiness to see all of you all hanging out over here and just waiting for me, honestly. Because deep down, even I'm a Mumbaikar, so this really means a lot to me that when I can do this in my city, guys. So thank you.
Varun. So you know what? Before Varun says goodbye, there's one question. You know, the campaign is setting you free. Okay? And you mentioned you used to come here with your dad and mom, your friends, your girlfriend. Other than the actresses that you hang around with, are your friends?
They were
No, I'm just asking. I'm just asking. What sets you free personally?
What sets me free?
Yep.
I think अभी what sets me free, honestly, मेरे घर पे एक बहुत छोटा सा गिफ्ट आया है. मेरी 9 महीने की नीस आई है. She's 9 months old. So getting up in the morning and going and hanging out with her, that's what sets me free, I think, honestly. And actually what sets us free is, you know, spending time. Sometimes you just need to be alone without like some gadgets, without any tension, any problems. Just being alone, walking somewhere alone, maybe going to the beach, maybe going to some Maidan, maybe just going and honestly just going and just, ये तो fake grass है, but ऐसे ही जाके किधर grass पे ऐसे लेट जाना ऐसे, तो मतलब बिल्कुल set हो जाते हैं हम लोग free, बिल्कुल set हो जाते हैं.
Whoa! Okay. Now, Varun, there are a lot of people who've joined us on social media as well. So you want to say a big hello to these cameras right there. They're right there.
Okay, everyone who's on Facebook, who's on Twitter, who's on WhatsApp, who's on Orkut, Snapchat, Instagram. She's very emotional about Instagram, guys. Whoever is on Instagram. What else is there? Anything else is there? On TikTok, on all the social media brands. But more than everything else, dude, there's a big crowd over here who's come here live. So it's so much fun hanging out with all of you. So thank you.